explore the top 5 best DJI drones. From aerial photography to exhilarating flights, these drones redefine the way we capture and experience the world. Join us as we delve into their features, capabilities, and performance, guiding you towards the perfect drone for your adventures. Elevate your aerial photography and videography game with these top-rated DJI drones. Tune in now and discover the ultimate flying companion. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Number 5. The DJI Air 2S. Introducing the DJI Air 2SS, a compact yet powerful drone designed to elevate your aerial photography and videography to new heights. Packed with advanced features and cutting-edge technology, the Air 2S offers professional-grade capabilities in a portable package. The DJI Air 2S features a 1-inch CMOS sensor capable of capturing stunning 20-megapixel stills and 5.4K video at 30p, ensuring crystal-clear images with exceptional detail and dynamic range. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or dynamic action shots, the Air 2S delivers professional-quality results every time. Equipped with intelligent flight modes such as Active Track 4.0 and Spotlight 2.0, the Air 2S makes capturing cinematic shots effortless. Whether you're tracking moving subjects or creating complex camera movements, the drone's advanced automation capabilities ensure smooth and precise footage with minimal effort. One of the standout features of the Air 2SE is its obstacle sensing system, which uses sensors on all sides of the drone to detect and avoid obstacles in real time. This gives you peace of mind while flying and allows you to focus on capturing stunning shots without worrying about collisions. With its lightweight and foldable design, long battery life, and intuitive controls, the DJI Air 2SE is the perfect drone for photographers and videographers of all skill levels. Experience the freedom of flight and unleash your creativity with the DJI Air 2S. Number 4. The DJI Mini 2SA. Introducing the DJI Mini 2SA, compact and lightweight drone that offers an unparalleled combination of portability, performance, and affordability. Designed for beginners and enthusiasts alike, the Mini 2SI packs a punch with its impressive features and capabilities. The DJI Mini 2SE features a 12-megapixel camera capable of capturing stunning 4K video and 12-megapixel stills, delivering high-quality footage and images with vibrant colors and sharp details. Whether you're documenting your travels or capturing aerial shots of your favorite landscapes, the Mini 2SE ensures stunning results every time. Equipped with intelligent flight modes such as Quick Shots and Panorama, the Mini 2SE makes it easy to capture cinematic shots with just a tap of a button. Whether you're performing complex maneuvers or creating dynamic camera movements, the drone's advanced automation capabilities ensure smooth and professional-looking footage. Despite its small size, the Mini 2SE boasts impressive flight performance, with a maximum flight time of up to 31 minutes and a maximum range of up to 6.2 miles. This allows you to explore and capture your surroundings without limitations, making it the perfect companion for outdoor adventures. With its compact and foldable design, intuitive controls, and beginner-friendly features, the DJI Mini 2SE is the ideal drone for anyone looking to take their aerial photography and videography to new heights. Experience the thrill of flight and unleash your creativity with the DJI Mini 2SA. Number 3. The DJI FPV Combo. Introducing the DJI FPV Combo, a groundbreaking drone that redefines the way we experience flight. Combining the thrill of first-person view, FPV flying with DJI's renowned stability and ease of use, the FPV Combo offers an exhilarating flying experience like no other. The DJI FPV Combo features a sleek and aerodynamic design with powerful propulsion and advanced flight control systems that allow for high-speed maneuvers and precise control. Whether you're racing through obstacles or performing acrobatic stunts, the FPV Combo delivers an adrenaline-fueled experience that will leave you breathless. Equipped with a high-quality camera capable of capturing stunning 4K video at 60 fps and 1080p video at 120 fps, the FPV Combo allows you to record all of your flights in stunning detail. With the ability to switch between FPV and traditional flying modes, you can capture breathtaking aerial footage from unique perspectives. One of the standout features of the FPV Combo is its immersive FPV goggles, which provide a first-person view of the drone's flight path in real time. With low-latency transmission and a wide field of view, the goggles offer an unparalleled flying experience that puts you in the pilot's seat. Whether you're a seasoned FPV pilot or a beginner looking to experience the thrill of flight for the first time, the DJI FPV Combo is the ultimate drone for capturing stunning aerial footage and experiencing the excitement of FPV flying. Experience the future of drone technology with the DJI FPV Combo and elevate your flying experience to new heights. Number 2. The DJI Mavic Air 2. Introducing the DJI Mavic Air 2, a compact yet powerful drone designed to capture stunning aerial footage with ease. Built on the success of its predecessor, the Mavic Air 2 combines advanced technology with intuitive features to deliver an unparalleled flying experience. The DJI Mavic Air 2 features a 1/2" CMOS sensor capable of capturing impressive 48-megapixel photos and 4K video at 60 fps, ensuring crisp and clear footage with rich colors and sharp details. Whether you're capturing sweeping landscapes or fast-moving subjects, the Mavic Air 2 delivers professional-quality results every time. Equipped with intelligent shooting modes such as Smart Photo and HDR video, the Mavic Air 2 makes it easy to capture stunning shots with just a tap of a button. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or a beginner, the drone's advanced automation capabilities ensure that every shot is perfectly optimized for maximum impact. One of the standout features of the Mavic Air 2 is its impressive flight performance, with a maximum flight time of up to 34 minutes and a maximum range of up to 10 kilometers. This allows you to explore and capture your surroundings without limitations, making it the perfect companion for outdoor adventures. With its foldable and portable design, intuitive controls, and advanced features, the DJI Mavic Air 2 is the ultimate drone for photographers and videographers of all skill levels. Experience the freedom of flight and unleash your creativity with the DJI Mavic Air 2. Number 1. The DJI Inspire 2. Introducing the DJI Inspire 2, a professional-grade drone designed to push the boundaries of aerial cinematography and photography. Engineered for filmmakers, cinematographers, and professional photographers, the Inspire 2 combines industry-leading technology with unparalleled performance to deliver stunning visuals from the sky. The DJI Inspire 2 features a powerful camera system that supports a range of interchangeable lenses, allowing users to capture cinematic footage in stunning detail. With its 5.2 video recording capability at 30 fps and 4K video at 60 fps, the Inspire 2 ensures exceptional image quality and smooth motion capture, even in challenging lighting conditions. Equipped with advanced flight control systems and dual battery design, the Inspire 2 offers unmatched stability and reliability during flight. Whether you're capturing high-speed action shots or executing complex aerial maneuvers, the drone's precise control and responsive performance ensure smooth and professional results every time. One of the standout features of the Inspire 2 is its intelligent flight modes, including Spotlight Pro and ActiveTrack, which allow users to easily track subjects and capture dynamic shots with ease. Additionally, the drone's obstacle sensing system and intelligent return-to-home function provide added safety and peace of mind during flight. With its sleek and modular design, advanced camera capabilities, and professional-grade performance, the DJI Inspire 2 is the ultimate tool for capturing stunning aerial footage and pushing the boundaries of creative expression. Experience the future of aerial cinematography with the DJI Inspire 2 and elevate your filmmaking to new heights.